Hello, I am just making a quick video to try to talk you through fixing your SEO. All right, I'm on your homepage, which I believe is the one you're working on, and I know you mentioned that you can't seem to change it to make it better no matter what you do. So I want to show you a few things to keep in mind. First of all, if you go to Unit 6, and you go down to resources, which is at the bottom of Unit 6. There's the SEO video tutorial that walks you through all of these areas, talks you through everything. Now you've chosen wedding style as your focus key phrase, and what you'll notice is that, for instance, you do not have wedding style in your slug here. You do not have a meta description, and the meta description is what you see here, what you would see in the Google snippet. So some of these things you have to think about. And if you go here, Yoast has told you that that your meta description is a problem. And remember that you can click on that link and there will be a discussion of how to create a meta description. And you can either read it or you can watch a video, but it will tell you what to do to make a good meta description. All of the things that you're missing, you can do. It's also telling you you don't have any outbound links. And of course, it has another page that we can open and see what outbound links are. And if we look at your page, you can see you do not have any links that lead to a site outside of your own. And one of the things we've been talking about since the first or second day of class is that Google judges websites on their authority. And one of the most obvious ways to build authority is to have links to outside websites and have outside websites linking to you. Now you can't do the latter yet, outside websites linking to you, but you can link to other websites in which, so if you see a beautiful portfolio of wedding pictures that have some of these different styles, you could link to that to a photographer. That would be a type of idea that you could do. If there is a great wedding site, you could do that, whatever. Now it also says you don't have the key phrase in your introduction. And again, your key phrase is wedding style. And when we go to your page, you do not have those words wedding style in your first paragraph here. So what would make sense is if you change something like explore a collection of thoughtfully curated aesthetic wedding styles created to inspire every love story. Something like that, so that you have those actual words in the actual order in here. So basically, all you need to do is look at the tips here, and if you don't know what to do, click on the links in order to find out how to do it, and you'll be able to raise your score in no time.